Hi, welcome back to Coding with Caroline. Are you stuck at home because of the coronavirus? Do you want to see your friends again from school? Today I can show you how to do an online playdate. First, you ask your parents to sign up for a Zoom account. After that, they can help you host a meeting and get your friends to join in. My dad has already installed the Zoom application, so I'm going to show you how to start a Zoom meeting. First, you're going to want to click on this little arrow. Then you're going to want to go down here to PMI settings. And then you have your passcode right here, and you can change it if you want. And then you also have your personal meeting ID, which you cannot change. Make sure that you don't share it with anyone. And make sure that you ask your mom and dad to send the information to your friend, and then they can go on to their Zoom and join into your meeting, like it says right here. And then they can enter in the meeting ID code. Now that we've got our meeting set up, now I want to start the meeting. So then you come over to this orange camera button, and then you click it. And so as my person, since my dad won't let me show myself, I have my stuffed animal named Leo. And I will have another friend named Willow come join later. So first you want to test your speaker. So it will give you a little tone, and then you will say if you've heard it. And then now I'll start speaking, and then it will record it. So it just recorded it, and I heard it. Now you can join with the computer audio. So my friend Willow will be joining soon. And she should be joining any minute. Now I can let her come in. And there's my friend Willow. And now she has to connect to the audio too. While she connects, I want to show you how to chat. So if you click right here, then this is what it says. So there's all this space to chat, and you can send it to one certain person. So I can send it to Willow, and then I can say hi. And then she'll get the message. And I can unmute her. But I can change my name, and also I can stop my video or mute myself if you don't want anyone to hear you. Now I'm going to show you how to change the background. So if you go over by this little camera, there will be an arrow pointing up. You'll click that, then you'll choose the very last sentence. And then there's all these different backgrounds, and then I will set my friend Leo to the beach. So if you go down here, then there's a little camera button, which means it will start moving stuff. See, that one will move, but this stuff doesn't move. So I'm going to keep it like that. So I can unmute my friend Willow, but I don't want to right now. I'm going to show you how to record. So there's a button right here, and then you can click it, and then it will start recording the whole chat. And you can do you can do little hands clapping or a thumbs up. Now I'm going to show you how to share your screen. So there's this little rectangle with the arrow pointing up. You click that, and then you can show any of these screens. And I'm going to show the whiteboard. So on the whiteboard, you can draw here. You can change your color. You can clear it. There's a stamp, and there's this, and it says draw. You can do any of that. And now I can let my friend Willow control my screen. Now she would be controlling it. And so then she just took control of my screen, and then she can undo it to where I can write again. And if you want to stop it, then you can just push right here, and then it will bring you back to your screen. And if you want to see someone talking, you click right here where it says speaker view, and then whoever starts talking, then you will get to see them up close. You can also mute yourself. And my friend Willow, she just clapped her hands, which makes my screen go over to her screen. And now that she's muted, then we can't go back over to her screen. If you want to see who's at the meeting, you click right here, and then it says, I'm here, and Willow's here. If you go back to here, then there's this little button, and it says more. Then you can chat to them, you can stop their video, you can make them the host. You can allow them to record, rename them, and put them into the room, and put them into the waiting room, and then you'll let them again and again. And if you want to kick them out, you push that button right there. Also, I wanted to tell y'all about the security. So, if you don't want anyone else to come into your meeting, you can push lock meeting, and then you can unlock it. And it says allow participants to do what they want to do. Like if they want to share their screen, then they can. If they want to chat, and if they want to rename themselves. And also, I can kick out anyone if they're not being nice or they're not behaving. And also, I want to tell y'all that you can stop your own video. Like now you can't see me, but now you can. And I want to show y'all that you can also see everyone just by clicking back there. And that's all I wanted to show y'all. And make sure that you end your meeting so you're not just sitting there and everyone's yelling for you. Then it will make the other participant go back to doing their work. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.